Okay, first of all, a very simple introduction of myself. Okay, if you go to TradingView, you can see my names are in the top author all time, and this is me, TNT Sunrise, right? Right now, I'm I think number 3 in the authors ranking. And I provide training for traders, for uh, professional traders, and also for start new traders. Okay. And over the years, I have trained more than 10,000 people, and my students have been across the world. Have USA, Canada, uh, Europe, Italy, UK, Australia, and China. And right now, I have my office. I have my China's Trading Academy in Shanghai, and you can see that I constantly conduct courses in China. All right, or who is doing the annotates? Okay, and this is my Facebook group. Okay, you can go to Projects Trading Classes and join for this reminder of every week's webinar and also the recording address. Right, and if you go to my YouTube, you will see a lot of free content of trading techniques and also the previous recordings of my uh, videos, which I have been constantly doing for almost, I think, more than 1 year. Okay, yeah, almost 2 years, right? From the first one is from 2016-05-18. Okay, it's a very memorable, experience that I've been trading with the markets and also share my ideas are in TradingView, and I get to know a lot of people, right? And I would like to highlight that these YouTube channels are very useful, because if you go through the first one to now, okay, you see that how consistent I am by using the same strategy, same trading system over and over again, and we can almost capture 90% of the move. Okay. Oh yeah. Hi Ray. Yeah, from New Zealand. Okay. For those cannot have the sound, you have to click the join computer audio. Okay. You have to click. Okay. All right. Okay, without further ado, let's start this week's webinar. Okay. All right. Okay, let's check from DXY. I just shared with you guys that DXY in the last week. What did I say? Do you remember? I said DXY is at these very important triangles bottoms, right? Do you remember? On 17th of April, guys, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you remember my prediction of DXY. I said this is the triangle's bottom, all right, and this is horizontal structure, all right, and just similar to Bitcoin, all right. If you remember Bitcoin, what did I do is, okay, you go to the BTC USD, you go to my page, you will see this same triangle of Bitcoin, okay, also in a very low location, right, from this triangle, and also this is a first touch, second touch, third touch. Okay, this is third touch of this triangle bottom with the structure of the yellow box. Okay, and you will see that it works perfectly on BTC and also perfectly on DXY. Is this cool, guys? You see this strong move up, strong rally, right? Clear all those sellers and just rally from the right third touch of this triangle. Okay, how many of you guys bought dollar last week? Give me 6. All right, give me 6. Type 6 if you bought dollar or long dollar or short major pairs in last week. All right, I would like to congratulations to all of you guys, because you have just spot a very nice beginning of the new trend. -6. Why minus? George, why -6? You short? Okay, and here is what I thought. Okay, this is a plot that I put in last week. I said this triangle will be broken, and we may have another buying opportunities. Guys, listen carefully, okay? We may have one final buying opportunity in the next pullback, okay? So get ready to, when the price pull back, to touch the triangle or touch this structure here, okay? Guys, get ready to buy the pullback, okay? Because now the price shows a very, very strong move in the dollar, okay? Get ready to buy any pullback. Remember, okay, buy any pullback to 90.50 or 90.40, okay? Either the triangle's edge or the structure. Remember? You didn't do it, okay? Then I think it's either you missed my webinar, you never checked the recording, or maybe you just don't take the plan, don't take the trade, right? So for those who have missed, this entry, there might be another entry, and I can tell you that will be the final chance for you to get in the rally and enjoy the profit of the DXY's rally. So type 7 if you understand what I'm saying now. Okay, if you missed the entry, maybe the pullback is your last chance. Okay, don't miss the train. Okay, this train is going to carry you a lot of profit. It will be a killer in this year. Trust me. Okay, just look at how BTC performed after this triangle broken. Okay, just see what has BTC done. Okay, rocket. You get it? Are you excited? Okay, so find the pullback to trade. Okay, either the horizontal structure pullback or this triangle pullback or 0.618 pullback, I don't care, but buy. Okay, it is a buy. It is a 5-star buy for the dollar. Don't buy high, buy the pullback. Get it? Okay, I don't want in the next week or in the at end of this year you come to tell, oh Jack, I'm so regret that I didn't listen your advice. There's a lot of people always missing the train, missing the profit, missing the big striker. Okay, so this is a one highlight for all of you guys that come in today. Okay, the potential is very, very high. Okay, let me just tell you how crazy the DXY will be. All right, because this is a weekly neckline for the DXY. Okay, guys, check it out. All right, this is a weekly neckline for the DXY, and the downtrend correction is ended. Okay, listen carefully. It is end of this downtrend move for the past one whole year. Okay, is ended. Okay, you see this trend line has already been broken, and I can tell you that the DXY will easily go to 99 or 97 or 100. Okay, you will easily go to this place. Feel the gap. All right, feel this gap. Okay, so you just calculate how much profit in upside potential, okay, and take your trade. This won't change until next year. Okay, this will be a huge move with a very, very long term trend. Okay, it's even possible for the DXY to rally until 113. Okay, the 1.618 fib extension. Okay, all right, that all push the DXY all the way to the point of the 2001 crash, this place. Okay, and then it may form this very, very big bat pattern. All right, so this is what I did for you guys. This is a very, very powerful trading idea. Okay, all right, Bible says, can you give us all the USD pairs short and long to watch for? Okay, actually you just need to watch three things, okay? Number one, EURUSD. Number two, GBP/USD. Number three, AUD/USD. Number four is gold, okay? You just capture these four, will give you a lot of money, right? The major pairs, okay? Don't trade cross currency for this trending environment, okay? If the DXY is very, very trending, okay, don't trade cross. Okay, don't trade euro sterling. Okay, pairs not good to trade. Okay, when DXY is one-way market when it's trending. Okay, euro sterling, Aussie Kiwi, Aussie CAD. Okay, euro Swiss franc. What else? Okay, gold versus silver. Okay, don't trade this cross pairs, trade the direct pairs, right? I hope I would like, okay, everybody, okay, take a screenshot of my desktop right now, okay, and save it. Okay, you can see that this prediction is almost to 2020. All right, this prediction is up to 2020. And let's see what will happen, okay, in the next. I'm not forecasting any, you know, I don't have a crystal ball, but this is what I feel about the market. All right, this is a strong move up. Have you done it? I count to 5 and I will remove the picture. Okay. Yep. Right, this is and also there's another ABCD patterns. See, same thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really harmonic, and also it's really the probability of this chart is very, very high. High chance that we'll move in this way. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, we don't need to guess whether the DXY will follow my chart or not. We don't need to guess. We just to take this trade, just buy it. Okay, strong buy for DXY. All the way to 113.44. Okay, this is TNT Sunrise major, you know, forecasting of DXY in the next 2 years. Okay, it's really, really important. All right. All right. Okay, let me just publish this in TradingView, I think, so that everybody will have this, you know, in mind. Okay. Last year's downtrend ended. Okay. Price may go to 1.61 extension and also complete the ABCD move. Hence, okay, if DXY is no longer making any lower low, okay, strong buy, right? This is a very, very good trade. All right. Okay, I have already published in TradingView, and it's a brand new, you know, chart. All right, and let's just see what will happen. Okay, done for the DXY, and let's talk about gold. All right, gold in my last webinar in last week. Right, if you check what I did for gold is we found out our trend line broken and also structure broken, and I said we can short gold from 1.3 almost 1.340. Okay, and first target 1.332, second target 1.312. Okay, let's check what happened. Right, beautiful move. Now it's 1.323, so you almost earn 170 pips. Okay, if you short one lot, you earn 1,700 US dollar. And what I suggest is take half a profit and keep the rest, move your stop loss to break even and hold it. How many of you take the gold trade last week? Okay, David, can you just anyhow share how much money you earned? Yeah, come on, guys, be real, right? Just share. This is private webinar, right? Okay, 500 US dollar and ongoing 7,700. Okay, good. 500 bucks. Seems that you shot 0.1, 0.5 lots. Benjamin, you shot one lot and earned 1K. All right. Yeah, it's cute that, okay. 1,000 Sing dollar. Wow, cool. Wow, that's congratulations, right? This is very, very nice profit. And what I suggest is that you should take some profit and let the rest trade, make it break even stop loss and let it go, It's just like the song, the Disney movie, let it go, right? Okay, let it go, hold it and let it go, because you have already take partial profit and let the rest. Okay, just let the profit run. Okay, all right, let's check first of all in the weekly chart. What does this mean to me for the gold? Okay, I will tell you that a lot of people come to me and said, hey Jack, do you think that gold is kind of making a very, very good double bottom? And people say that the gold may go up to 1,005 or even 1,006. I will say that this is neckline, but it hasn't been broken yet. The 1,370 is so strong, and the price doesn't look like it's going to penetrate this area. Okay, and in fact, I will say that the 1,360 level to 1,370 level is a very, very strong resistance for the gold. Okay, because we can see that this is this is a price action, tells you that there are a lot of people selling gold at this area. Can you see that? We have to understand what does the chart tells us, right? You can see all those wicks, the long shadows. Can you see that? What we call this, guys? What do you feel about these price actions? Why are they stacked in the same area? Anyone has any answers to this phenomenon? Do you have any explanation for this? No, don't call it. I won't say it's a resistance, because resistance is a kind of it is what you see. Yeah, it is rejection. Okay, a lot of rejections. But behind the rejections, what is the real answer for this kind of charting? Yes, you're right, Yogan. Yeah, we call this supply zone. All right, this is a supply zone, and this supply zone is created by institution. Okay, institution traders. Okay, this is a supply zone in the weekly chart that a lot of institutional traders are put their selling orders here. That's why every time when the price goes to there, people just sell it. Okay, supply the goods to those people who want to purchase at a very high place, such as 1,370. Okay, so supply zone, and what we have in the last week, guys. Does this candlesticks looks familiar to you? This is one of my favorite patterns, okay? And I teach over and over again, and I have made a lot of profit on these patterns, right? I really hope that you can learn this simple method. Okay, what is this? Right, some people already told the answers, but guys, for those people who first time join, what are these two candles? Okay, for my Chinese students, although you don't understand English, but you can guess what I'm saying. What is these two candle? Okay, let me just give you the answer. Okay, the first bar is mother bar. Okay, the second bar is inside bar, right? Inside, because inside bar in Japanese candlesticks is called harami. Okay, harami means pregnant. Okay, inside bar is really, really very nice and very powerful for you to catch a very good trade. Okay, inside. All right, the second candle's high and low is complete, contained inside the previous one. And what happened to this candle, guys? What happened to this candle? Do you see this inside bar breaking up or breaking down? Yeah, it's breaking down, right? And is this in line with the DXY strength? Yes, it is, right? Okay, so this inside bar breaking, okay, it tells you that the moment that it breaks 1,334, you should take the short and put your stop loss above the 1,355. Okay, although it is a big range, however, it is a weekly inside bar that the price has to be this big. All right, but this inside bar is telling you that the gold is not going to penetrate 1,370 level. It's going to reverse and it's going down. All right, it's going down. Okay, so what I can tell you that the gold has already making a double top or multiple tops, and below it, okay, the 1,300 is a minor support, but I doubt that it may break, and the gold is likely to go at least to 1,250 or 1,270. It's at least to go to this place. So remember my words, okay? Don't buy gold in the next few months, okay, until it touched 1,260, and you may find some support, you may find some bullish price actions, and only by then you could consider to buy some gold. But before it reached the area, you can see that there's a lot of downside room for the gold to fall, okay, and this time is likely to break the 1,300 level. It's likely to break this level, take it down, okay? It's likely to take it down, okay? So don't buy, okay? Sell, focus on sell. In the bearish market, focus on sell. So let's go back to 4-hour chart, guys. Do you see a 4-hour inside bar breaking down this morning in the this is inside bar, right? In the 4-hour chart, okay, inside bar breaking down and retested. So if you are early enough to catch the trade in this Asia times like 12 o'clock in the noon, right, you should be able to catch this inside bar breaking down retest, and now you have a lot of money. Okay, so focus on sell. Okay, if gold ever makes any pullback, okay, like to 1,330 level or maybe 1,327 level, okay, make any pullback, you should sell. Okay, you should sell. Don't hesitate. Just take the short, because we know that from the weekly analysis, it's going to here. Understand? Do you believe me? Or do you think that this is making sense? Okay, I can give you an example of Kiwi dollar. You see, the Kiwi dollar actually is quite similar to the gold, right? But after it breaks the uptrend line and also the support, you see, boom, breaking out, pullback, and we short. Okay, this is what we catch in the last week for the Kiwi dollar. Okay, also a very decent trade. Okay, it breaks out at 18th of April, and we wait for the opportunity to pull back at 0.7326. Okay, and you see it's just, you know, waterfall. So the same thing will happen in gold. Okay, because both of them are commodities. One is commodity currency, and another one is commodity futures. Okay, it's the same thing. All right, and the very nice profit for sterling yen is it's also we captured in the last week, right? It's here. Okay, we capture also a neckline broken, pullback, and as I said, we can short from 152.34 to 152.72. Stop loss above 153.10, and look at here. Boom. Right, almost hit my first target. Right, you have a lot of profits, almost 200 pips. Okay, almost 200 pips. That is also a nice move. Same strategies. Okay, structure, breaking down and retest, break down, retest, and sell. Okay, good. All right, talk about the euro. Okay, the euro I gave a trade in last week to my students. All right, in my WhatsApp group. Okay, if you guys remember, I did said that the euro have broken a very important structure of 1.2338. Okay, the moment it breaks 1.2355, okay, we make a sell on the pullback here. This candle we sell. This candle also can sell. If you check the 1 hour chart, it gives another pullback at here. Okay, guys, did you see that? Structure, breakdown, and pullback and sell. This is a simple strategy, but most powerful. Okay, right? Of course, you can take some profit of the euro dollar right now because it has already given you more than 100 pips. Okay, get ready when the price pull back to this area and short it again. Okay, because a lower low was created, and whenever there's a pullback, as long as it is still within this trend, okay, you should focus on short. Okay, focusing on short. All right, so this is for the euro. Minor support from 1.22, minor support here. Okay, the price is now pulling back. Okay, so don't sell low, sell the high. Okay, sell high. Understand? Sell high. And the next move you may catch very nice, decent fall. Okay, and talk about the sterling. Sterling, wow, nice. It's a really nice pin bar in the 4-hour chart. This is a pin bar. Okay, pin bar, boom, boom. Okay, and then this is a straight down pullback. You know, lower low, inside bar here. Okay, inside bar, breaking down, and you can see that it's really profitable. Okay, if you capture this pin bar, you almost capture 400 pips, right? From 1.43, 1.39. This is 400 pips move by using pin bar. Okay, pin bar is also a strategy that I teach in my trading classes. Okay, for my students, and most of you have learned of what to do with pin bar, right? Okay, so sterling. Let's talk about the sterling weekly chart. Nice. Okay, I just published a sterling weekly charts in TradingView. Okay, I said this is almost confirmed a double top because the trend line has been broken and engulfing candle, right? This is a weekly engulfing candle. Look at it here. Can you see that? Weekly engulfing, right? And the engulfing just continues. Okay, it breaks down. So this is telling you that the sterling is reversed. It's likely to go to at least 1.36, and if we're using Fibonacci level, okay, we can know that our is likely to touch 1.34 and even lower to 1.28, because this whole channel, guys, I want you to know that, take note, the whole channel of the sterling is a correction channel. This is a correction channel. Okay, it is not a first wave of a bullish wave. It's just correction. Correction means if this channel was broken, the previous trend will continue. Okay, the previous trend will continue. Okay, at least we may touch another 0.618 in the weekly chart. So hold your shorts, okay, from 1.42 or 1.43 all the way to 1.3. Okay, you get it? Okay, good. Let's talk about Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, wow, also very good. Okay, if you remember that I said we want to short Aussie from the Fibonacci 0.618 from the last downtrend move 0.7812, and look at here. Look at here. How nicely does this 618 act? Okay, touch and break down. No stop. Okay, all right. So Aussie dollar is dead. It will continue to move down. Okay, because in the daily chart, it has already broken the trend line as well. Okay, it's already broken the trend line as well. So there's no good buying zone for Aussie dollar until here, until somewhere here, 0.74 maybe. Okay, it will easily go to this place, and this pivot is not going to hold. So focus on short on Aussie as well. It is in a downtrend channel. See that this is a downtrend channel, and I will tell you that it will just fall like in this way. Okay, sterling yen. Okay, sterling yen. Nothing new. Just take a short. Right, we short from here 152.80, and now it's kind of a pulling back, but it doesn't change the trend. Right. In fact, you should take a short. You should take a short because this is all corrections. Okay, it's still higher lows and lower lows. Okay, and I think the best place to take a short will be the 618 pullback from this wave. All right, you can take a short now. Okay, or maybe you can take a short at 151.48, this level, right? As long as the sterling yen won't break this trend line, is okay to short. So it's okay to short. Okay, and for those guys who have captured the sterling yen's double top trade, right? Take some profit and sell it again. When the rally, sell it again. We already take 200 pips profit, and I can show you that I still have my position here. All right, this is my sterling yen. I still have my short from here. Right, you can see that this trade is right now, giving me 1,395 profits, and I have taken a lot of profit on sterling yen in the last week. This is all the profit I made for sterling yen. Okay, let me just give you this sterling yen. Okay, you can just count how many profit I made from sterling yen. All right. Okay, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,800, 1,004, 200, 500, 500. Okay, 164, 579. This is small loss for $27, and this is all minor profits. Okay, sterling I also earned almost 1,000. So last week I actually make a profit of 15,000. Okay, from my saving is about 9,000. Okay, 9,000 deposit, and my profit is 15K, and I have restored 20,000, 21,000. I have restored it, right? Because I make so much profit, it's okay to take some, to my real bank account, right? Yeah. If you make money in the market, remember to withdraw it. Okay, withdraw the profit and let it help your real world. Okay, right. So this is sterling yen. Okay, keep the short, find a pullback to short it again. Okay, that will be very, very profitable. Okay, all right, move on. Kiwi dollar also covered, right? Take some profit, right? We shot from here. It is almost 99% confirmed that the price won't come back to the same place. So just keep your positions open. That's all. Okay, another trade for the dollar CAD, Canadian dollar, right? We have a very, very nice pullback from the 618 here. If you remember what is a 618 pullback plus structure, okay, 1.2554, we bought it, okay? You can see I really bought it from the Canada. I think in my last if I'm not wrong, in my last webinar, I do actually show you my dollars Canadian positions. You remember? Right, I have this 0.5. Yeah, you can see here, I bought from the 618, right? I really did. Bought it from here. I take profit around about here. That is the first 0.5 lot, another 0.5 lot. I take profit out here, right? Then I have another one lot I take profit here. Right? Oh, it's really 100 pips instant, right? The bad thing is I don't keep one position open until now, right? I missed another 200 pips, but that's okay because anyway, it's just one lot. Right? I have covered a lot of profit in sterling yen. That's enough for this account already. Okay, the beautiful 0.61 pullback, it just right. And I can tell you that the Canadian is still going to 1.36 as well. At least it's likely to go to this place, 1.36. So if you have any position that you bought from here, just hold it. Just hold it. All right, good. Are we good? Oh, thanks. Thanks, Scotland can make some translation for me. Yeah, coordination. Good. All right, let's talk about the SPS 500 because a lot of people are trading stocks and indices. All right, I've mentioned that as the SPY is likely to touch 2,700 level, and the last time we bought from SPY is at this week, okay, at this 0.76 area. Okay, this is a beautiful 2618 trade that we took a buy from 2596, and I said aim 2,700. Right? Why? Because that is also another 618 pullback from here. Okay, 2,704, and we check in 1 hour chart. When the time that S&P reached 2,716, it actually formed an inside bar. Can you see that? Give me 9 if you can see this inside bar. Let me just teach you one thing, okay? There will be a lot of inside bar. You see, there are really a lot of inside bar, especially in 1 hour chart. You can find tons of them, right? A lot of inside bar, but you don't know which one will give you a very nice profit, right? If you just trade them all, or you just randomly pick some of them, right? But I can tell you that if the inside bar happened in a place with the structure here and with the 618 pullback, okay, it's at very important place. When the inside bar happening in a very important place, you should take the trigger. Okay, so if you trade the inside bar breaking down, instantly you made about like 80 pips, and then you just close half and hold it until now. You earn about almost 200 pips. Okay, and I still remember in last week, right? I saw the SPX make a breakdown of this 2006 level, and I said if the price pull back to here, we can take a short, right? So it really worked. It works. Okay, so if the 2,680 level is held by the sellers, the price will continue to fall because we have already taken a short. Okay, and now it's time for you to enjoy the profit at least to 2,646. This is my first target of my short. Okay, my second target will be a 618 level from the swing low to swing high. Okay, first target 2,650. Second target is 2,614. Right, don't buy S&P until it fall to here. Okay, do not buy S&P because the trend is already become bearish right now. Okay, see lower lows and lower highs. Okay, it's likely to move further down to 2006.53 and 2006.14. So keep your short of 2006.80. It will give you a lot of return. All right, find price action, find bullish signals at 2006.14 level. Find here. Consider to buy if the price make a double bottom 620 pullback and you take trade. Okay, are we cool? All right, lastly, I will cover about some cryptocurrency. Okay, I have purchased, I made my purchase of my Bitcoin in last Fridays when the market almost closed at here, the last candle. Yeah, I can remember I really bought it from, at maybe 5 a.m. in the morning. I bought it, yeah. I can show you that, yeah, the time that I received my first, Bitcoin, because previously I only trade BTC through CFD, contract for difference. But right now, I think it is good to hold some real Bitcoins. So I bought from this another guy that who really willing to sell me at the market price at 8,500. Okay, and then guys, you can see that I received this on April 21st, right? To the 8,005, and right now the Bitcoin gives me a lot of profit. Okay, you can see that I just bought, before this bullish bar happened. Okay, from 8,005 now it's 8,877. It's already $300, right? And I believe that the Bitcoin is likely to move to 10,000 level. Okay, it's likely to move to 10,000 level. Okay, because the downtrend is broken and beautiful double bottoms complete is likely to go to 11305 at least, and almost maybe the next target is 1,400. Sorry, 14,000. That is my target for Bitcoin. Okay, so if you want to buy some Bitcoin or buy some maybe Ripple, I think Ripple is also good because Ripple also put a very nice, a U shape. So Ripple is likely go to 1.8. For Ethereum, it's also okay to buy. I can check. I think my charts in the trading view for this cryptocurrency, works perfect. Right, it's just the same thing, right? We trade what we see. Okay, support here, bought from here, Ethereum going up, right? Litecoin also, but Litecoin is not so good compared as Ripple as a performance. So yeah, just take some of them. Good. Okay. All right. Can you still see my screen? Can you still see my screen? Give me some message. Because some people report that it's black screen. No, it is not, right? Still can see, right? Okay, good. Okay, oil. Forgot to put on oil. Okay, oil has making a beautiful move in the last week. It's making a higher high, and it'll make the very good, structure retest at the 66.50 level. It really breaks up. Okay, it breaks up and pull back, and boom, it really flies. So it is still uptrend. Oil is still uptrend, but don't chase high. Don't chase high. I would like to wait for the price to retest 67 area again, because in 1 hour chart you can see that the price moves too fast and it needs to be consolidated for a while. Oh, I just missed. Okay, oil you should buy from 67. Yeah, can buy from here the oil. It is good to buy from 67.00 to 67.20. This is demand zone, and also the oil has complete this ABCD patterns. This is AB move and this is CD move. Okay, yeah, almost touched. So it's good to buy oil. Okay, long the oil, because I think the oil will good oil price will also increase the inflation rate of the USA and will push the dollar higher. Okay, so the only thing that may not fall due to the dollar strength is oil. Okay, oil will be likely to maintain at this level and will be touching 70 soon. Okay, because 70 will be a strong supply zone of oil. 70 is here. Oh, it's already touched 69.69. I think it may touch 73. Yeah, it may go to 73.41. Oil still have room to go up. Okay, so find place to buy oil and long to 73. Okay, don't short because it's still making higher high. No short. Can you show correlation with oil? What kind of correlation? Correlation with who? Leo? Canada or what? Yes, it's Canada, but in this almost 1 year, it's not working. It's not working for the correlation. Okay, because last time when you check, let me just put here. Compare. Let me compare CAD USD. Okay, so USD clear. Right. The second chart is Canada versus US dollar. Right. We go by weekly chart. Right, and you can see that these two things actually are very highly correlated. Okay, when oil goes down, Canada goes down. Okay, when oil have a bull market, Canada has a bull market. Okay, when oil goes down again, Canada goes down again, and it almost touch the bottom at the same time. Right, then oil goes up. However, this time the Canada doesn't goes up. You see, it actually missed certain of the room here. Can you see that, Leo? So don't use the correlation for the oil and the Canadian dollar right now because it is no longer so effective. Okay, you can see that the oil goes up. The oil goes up right here. Okay, but the Canadian dollar, is weakening. It's weakening. So something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, good. All right. What else? Okay, maybe I can talk about the silver. Okay, because a lot of people are trapped in the last week's silver's rally. You can see that silver rallied a lot, almost 50 cents. But if you learn harmonic patterns, you will know that it is not the time to buy, to chase the high. Okay, you can see that it's telling you that it may touch 0.76 or 0.86, and now it comes back all the way. So silver is bearish. Okay, remember my words. Silver is bearish because the recent triangle is also the third touch happened already. The first touch here, second touch here, third touch here, and I think the silver is likely to break down. Okay, and touch 14.546. Right. Okay, so silver find place to short. Yes. Okay, and also from the technical view, the triangles 3 touch has been completed in it's good to short from 17 level. Okay, here this part just you can just compare with Aussie dollar. Okay, when you see that a bottom, okay, a previous bottom or previous support is being tested for too many times, okay, just like here, I can tell you that this This is the same thing, guys. Okay, how many of you agree that this place is a very, very strong support for the Aussie dollar? Give me 5. Reply me by 5. You think that this place 0.77 is a great support from Aussie dollar? And look at here. At the same time, what did the silver do? Same, right? Silver also supported very well at 16.3 or 16.2, right? But you can see that after a rally making a lower highs and then the Aussie dollar just, breaking down. So what do you think about silver? Do you think the silver is likely to break down as well? Do you think so? These two things are also very highly correlated, you can see, because Aussie dollar is very highly correlated with metals, okay, with iron cores and with the coppers, okay. You can see these two things happens, they moves in the same way. So did you find any clue? What can we do here, guys? If you are smart enough, what can we do for silver? And where should we aim to? This is a class of tutorial of how to find correlations. One pair already breaks down, this one is lagging, so it likely in the next few days the silver is likely to break down as well. And you can just see when the Aussie, say for example, if the Aussie touched to this place, guys, if the Aussie touched 0.7497, I can tell you that it's almost guaranteed that the silver will go to 15.70. Okay, just remember my words. This is correlation. So do you know how to short, how to take the play? Aussie falls down, then silver will also break this area and touch the previous low. All right, free money is AUD USD, Aussie dollar, Australian dollar. Look at here, AUD USD. All right, let's just tell you another product. It's called copper. Okay. You see, do you believe that the copper and Aussie also moves in a very, very similar way? See that? Rally, copper rally, right? Copper, falls down, copper goes up, and then copper comes down as well. Okay. So Aussie dollar is very highly correlated to metals. It's like silver, it will actually tells you what will silver move. All right, good. So I think that's all for today. Maybe let me just take a look of the Dow Jones. All right, Dow Jones, guys, is same thing as S&P, and I think the Dow Jones will fall harder than than the SPX 500. Okay, Dow Jones is likely to test the previous low. Dow Jones is likely to touch the previous low. So find time to short Dow Jones. You can see that in daily chart, the Dow Jones have makes an inside bar, okay? And this inside bar breaks down, continue to break down, lower lows and lower highs. So Dow Jones is likely to touch at least 24,000 and 23,600. When do you go to order MT4 position calculator? Yes, now. Okay. Yes, it is now. Okay. All right. Gift time. Okay. Gift time. Okay. So guys, if you want to know how, if you are sick of calculate the position size by yourself, all right. My team and my partner has already developed a very good software. Okay, it is called Jackmaster 1.0 version 1. Okay, I can just give you the shared links. Okay, here. All right, no answers, no more answers for the forex pairs. I have already explained too much. Okay, so go to this link, download it. Okay, download this file. Okay, let me just show you how to use it. Okay, okay, let me stop recording